Welcome to Research Rock. In this video, we will see how to make will in India if you are living in India and you want make your property related will and provide someone special name in your property. So you can make the will using my tips and tricks in your home only. No need to go anywhere. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here Google. You can access any smart platform for this particular website. So you can type here legaldesk.com. I already mentioned this link in same video description. You just simply click here, and this is a platform of legaldesk.com. Create your legal document in within a minute. So many features are available here. So you can click here for consumer, and after clicking here make your will, click here make your will. Look at this, the particular will. What is the charges of this will? So 3,499 plus delivery charges. So you select here your state, which state you are living. I am selecting here Maharashtra, and some basic informations are also available here. Draft the will, attested before 2 witnesses, notify next kind of attorney, executive, keep in the safe place, register at the sub register office, optional. You are not making your will, so you can read at least some basic informations are available here, and then accordingly you think you are accessing this platform or not. But I will provide you as a simple demo. Create your will or create my will. So as a create my will point of view here, personal making the will, children, spouse or NGO trust. So accordingly you select any of them. Personal making, so as a personal making point of view, I am adding here my own name as a demo point of view, my father name and my address here, total address, my age here, gender male female, and done. So look at this, my name is come here. Save and continue point of view, you need to all fill out this 6 form, like add your property of the will. So house, flat, land, commercial, jewelries, vehicle, house, which will you want make. So suppose for example I select here in the flat, so flat number 302 situated at Hyderabad. Done. Save and continue. So select beneficiary all associated with this particular, yes please. Save and next. Additional clauses you want added here, attorney, life interested, residence, blanket and some other information. So accordingly you select like yes, and then beneficiary type you can add here accordingly your point, and then save to next. Execute, first executor, second executor. So I'm selecting here first one, name like here Jay Pal, right? You can put it here, the executor address also here. Done. Date of making this will, tomorrow's date. Amount of this monthly. How obtain the executed pay, like suppose for example I say here 10,000 monthly. Save to next. My entire will are making here, make the process. So look at this, do you want to print this particular will in the document? Yes. I select here Maharashtra. Please note down, the would be not printed stamp paper by paying amount, would you be only access the documents only. First of all you pay, and then they are providing you stamp bond paper like 500 or 1000 or 200 or 50 rupees. So basic price of the including entire, so simply I make this payment. Final price is 4,129. I make this point of view. Several options are available here: phone pay, Amazon Pay, card, UPR, net banking, wallet, EMI, pay later option. Which one you comfortable, accordingly pay the money and make your will in your home. It's quite amazing platform in India. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.